the processes which are tedious, manual, and time consuming, which taking the human efforts too much. In that cases, we automate the process and saves the times, money by automating the different processes. So these are the processes we automate from the different domain like data manipulation, data entry, data conversion, ERP automation we do, Excel automation we do, data entry, call centers, so back office email sending, email reading, the task depending on emails that we also process. So here we are automating one case study, that is problem statement is creating salary slips, which is very tedious and time consuming task for the HR department. Okay, we automate this in this video, just observe. So for that case study we require Excel sheet where we can have the data for the employees, like salary structure we can say, whether it would be in Oracle, SQL, any database that bot can read, bot can fetch the data from any database. So salary slip template we will need to create the PDFs, and I will run it. Before to that, I will show you the structure of the salary and the data what we are giving as an input to the bot. That data is here: employee ID, employee name, email, grade, department. So these are the bank details, PF number, and the salary structure basically deduction and earning, net payable amount. This is what it is. We are merging this data into salary slips, and this is the basically template. This is the Word file. We are going to use mail merge functionality over there, and in this format salary will get reflected. Okay, so all the columns we have implemented over here, and yes, I will go there and I will kick off the bot, and here we will get all the salary slip, 4 salary slip. There are 4 records. Let me run it. How fast it is working you can observe. That's it. Now you can see the salary slip generated over here. There are 4 salary slips. Let me open it. You can see the salary structure and the salary slip is